Hey, negodi no afio mi Igbo na Lagos ebe ọ na-agba ọkụ. Hey, you know, this is what I've been talking about. The wickedness of Yoruba people against Igbo people, it is too much. And this thing intensified ever since Peter Obi came out for presidency. It's like almost every 2 months now, you are going to hear about Igbo people's shops being burnt or demolished in Lagos. Now they have seen that Igbo people have gone back to the east for Christmas. They set their market on fire. They set their shops on fire. They did the same thing around this same time last year. It has become seasonal. And some will say, oh, it's an accident. There is no accident here. Every single thing that is happening to Igbo people in Lagos is premeditated. This arson is done deliberately by the Yoruba people to destroy Igbo people's shops and to render them useless and hopeless, if possible for them to go back home. And I'm praying that our people will start coming back home, because Southeast is developing. Abia State is developing. Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, everywhere is catching the progress and development that is needed. Let this be an eye-opener for everybody. Let us start coming home and develop our place even the more. The genocide that Fulani and Yoruba people have against Igbo people, it is too much. They go down fear man ko na agbo. Can you have here motara eye opener for our people? Amami unu for na Lagos I don't know what you see in Lagos. Even if you feel that oh, there are more people and more customers in Lagos, I tell you, it is better that you have fewer customers with your shops in South or Southeast. Then you have 1,000 customers in Lagos and tomorrow they come and destroy that place. Yes, I personally can never purchase any property in Lagos. I rather go to abroad and buy a house or whatever, or any other African country. Catch a man go mepe shop na Lagos or go on a Lagos. Please, our people, start coming back home. This is not a coincidence. This is an arson. And if you notice, they will always make sure that there is no fire service. And even when they come, they will tell you they don't have water. Look at what the Yoruba people are doing there. As Igbo people are even bringing out their goods from the burning house and from the burning house or maybe other houses that are burning there. They are carrying their goods and running away. The Alaye boys are carrying the goods and running away, so that you'll be useless and you won't come out with anything. And these goods are worth millions and millions and millions of naira, hard-earned money from Igbo people. They want you people to leave that Lagos with nothing. And I'm calling on our people again. Bikonu, sino na Lagos pota. Let this be a period of solemn reflection. Start channeling your business investments in Southeast, Enugu, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra. At least these are places that nobody will just come from nowhere and demolish your shop or do anything crazy like this. It's a pity.